We're here this morning. I'm with Sam and Tyla, who are both personal injuries lawyers in the OSheaDyer personal injuries team. We just wanted to have a talk this morning about the difference between a common law claim and a stat claim where you've had a work injury. Tyla, do you want to just basically explain the difference between a common law claim and a stat claim?
Sure. So when you've been injured at work in Queensland, there's two different types of claims you can pursue potentially. So firstly, for a statutory claim, you have to establish that you are a worker and that you've been injured at work. Work cover will then pay for your benefits and your medical treatment while you're unable to work. The other type of claim is a common law claim. You have to also establish that you're a worker, you've been injured at work, but the third limb of that type of claim is that you have to establish that your employer has breached their duty of care to you, or that they've been negligent in some way and that has caused your injury.
Sam, just in terms of OSheaDyer, we have some great stuff for people on our website. Do you want to mention some of that stuff?
Absolutely. So there's frequently asked questions on our website. There's a number of key client guidelines that show the process for workers' comp claims. It's really important, particularly what Tyla said when it comes to common law claims. You know, there is that extra limb and that extra standard that you need to meet with negligence. It's important that we get as much information as we can, so there's a lot of great information there for you to understand, so you can come to our appointments and ask questions to our staff that will be very relevant to your claim.
Initially, when people are injured, they of course put in a work cover claim. That's the statutory claim, and the common law claim is a claim that occurs down the track after someone's injuries have stabilised. And even though initially, when people are first hurt at work, they go through the work cover system and they might not necessarily speak to a lawyer, we think at OSheaDyer that it is important for people to get some early advice, because even in those early days, the things that happen, things that are said, can make a big difference at the end of the day. So we like to get people in for an early appointment. It's a free appointment. We just like to give people information and guidance about the whole work cover claim process. So it's important for people to come in and see us early.
Absolutely.